In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom ringtone on iPhone. First, open your Safari app. Then open Google. Now here type the song name or music name you want to download, and at the end you have to mention MP3. It's must, so just download the song on MP3 file format. Now I just type Pixabay Musics and type MP3 at the end. Search. Okay, now I just open this background music MP3 songs. Yeah, so now I just download this first music. Just tap this and click download. Then click this arrow icon and tap downloads. Yeah, here it is. Now it's downloaded to the Files app download. Now just tap this magnifier lens. It redirects into the file location. Actually it's under Files app download section. That's it. Now minimize this and open GarageBand app. Actually this is an official Apple app. If you doesn't have this app, go to App Store and install this GarageBand app. Now open this. Then click here. Okay, now tap here. Now touch this blue triangle to turn off this. This option doesn't need for us, so we need to just turn off that. Okay, now just click this loop like icon. Then tap Files. Now click Browse Items from the Files app. Now tap Browse. If you doesn't see here, now just click this. Yeah, my downloaded file which was located on the iCloud drive. So I click this and downloads. Yeah, here it is, Whistle Vibes. Now just click this. Now it will be added here. Now just tap that song and hold like this. Now move this to the starting point. Just drag like that. That's it. Actually on GarageBand app, we need to trim the audio to 30 seconds. So I just play the music and I am going to trim this music to 30 seconds. To trim the song or music, just tap this. After you see this border, just tap and drag like this. If you want this portion as starting point, just leave it here and play the audio. Okay, let's cut the end. I just move to the end, just tap, then click and drag like this. Okay, I just leave it to the 30 seconds, then click here. Okay, let's move this to the starting point and drag like this. Yes, let's zoom out this. Okay, make sure you move this song or music to the starting point, just like that. Just click this to verify. Yeah, it's on the 0 point. After you set up these things, then just click here and tap My Songs. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now it's completely rendered. Now just tap and hold the song. Here you can rename the song, and after you rename the song, just click Share and tap Ringtone. Continue. Then finally click Export. That's it. Now just tap OK. Yeah, you are done. Now minimize this and open Settings app. Scroll down and open Sound and Haptics. Now open Ringtone. Yeah, here it is. Now just click the song. Yeah, it works amazing. Yeah, this is how you can set a custom ringtone on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.